Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in the previous two videos, we started a new course called HTML course, which is the basic course for web development. So guys, in previous video we studied first of all I gave basic lecture to you about introduction of HTML, and after that uh, we will talk about some code editors for HTML to write. So in previous video we installed a Visual Studio Code editor for HTML. So I hope you all installed this in your PC. So I open this one and let's explore Visual Studio Code. In today's video our agenda is to cover some basics of HTML, and after that we will go on. So it is opening. Wait for some seconds. So guys, this is the explore tab. Click on this and here we can open folder in any place in our computer. So I click on open folder. So I want to keep my HTML files in desktop, so I click on desktop, and after that I create a new folder. I named it HTML practice and I select the folder. So it is opening. Just wait for some seconds. So guys, as you see, he opened the folder in his own interface. So that's why this is very handy and easy code editor. That's why most of the programmer use this code editor. So here are four options. Last one is not very important. Third one is not much important because it is just for refresh. The first two are important. The first is to create a new file and second one is to create a new folder. So I click on new file and here I write my file name HTML basics, and after that I write .html, which is the extension of HTML, so browser can understand this is an HTML file. So I click on this and you can see there is also an icon to represent the HTML side. So now first of all, if you watch the previous video, you know we first write doc type.html, but the beauty of this code editor is if you press shift plus 1, this is an exclamation mark, and click, then it automatically write all the HTML document. You don't need to write one by one HTML body meta title. So this is amazing feature. So we don't need this meta information for now, so I remove this and that's it. So I change the title name our first web. Okay, and after that this is the head section. In body, as you know, we write the content of the web page which is shown on the browser. So we will discuss some elements. I tell you about three main elements. The first one is heading, the second one is paragraph, and the third one is link. So we open the tab and write here h1, and when I close the tag, the ending tag is automatically written by this browser. So this is another amazing thing. So I write in my name is John. Okay, and after that we write P for paragraph tag, and I write I want to learn HTML, and after that link. The link tag is represented by A, and so we give property here href and www.google.com. This is the called a property which we write in inside the opening tag. So here I write Google. I paste the link www.google.com, and here I write Google. So when we open this document in the browser, let's see what it shows. So must press Ctrl S to save the document, and after that I go to the folder which I created on desktop called HTML practice, and it is shown. So we click on this, and I click on Google Chrome. So as you can see, the first one is heading, my name is John, the second one is paragraph, and the third one is a link. When we click on this Google, guys, that's not open because of the internet. My internet is not so fast, or I don't think it's work properly, so that's why. Otherwise, when you write this code, and it will open properly and redirect it towards google.com. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you again in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.